I'm Harry Mills, and this is the first in a 10-part series to demystify the FX market and the solutions available to businesses that trade internationally. Today we're looking at trade types. A spot contract is where you buy or sell currency for immediate settlement using the prevailing market rate. Many currencies can be converted and received on the same day, but others, mainly due to the time zone, might take 1 or 2 days. The date that the settlement is made is called the value date. A forward contract is a contract for future settlement, anything beyond 2 days and up to say a year or two or even more. The forward rate is a function of the prevailing spot rate and the interest rate differentials of the two currencies that you're trading, meaning it might be higher or lower than the spot rate depending on whether you're buying or selling the higher yielding currency. And the end date of a forward contract is called its maturity date. Forward contracts can be set as a fixed contract where the settlement is made only on the maturity date, or as an open or window contract where funds can be settled or drawn down at any time up to the maturity date or between two dates. These open or window forward contracts can give a great deal of flexibility for businesses securing exchange rates for future cash flows, but they can sometimes be a bit more costly than fixed forwards. It's not always the case, but forward contracts might require an initial deposit, that's cash collateral, to be placed upon entering the contract, so perhaps 5% of the contract value, and are subject to margin calls, which I will cover in a future video, so don't worry about it too much right now. Both spot and forward trades are legally binding contracts, although you will be able to partially or fully cancel or extend the value or maturity date of these contracts, which may generate a P&L, so that's something to be mindful of. That's it for now. So next week we'll look at forward contracts in more detail. Any questions, let me know, and any ideas for future videos, please also send me a message.